Faisal, a son from a poor family of the remote region of Bangladesh. When I was 2 years old, my father got divorced to my mother. At the same time, my father married for the second time. Then I started to stay with my stepmother. My stepmother used to beat me every day very much. She also used to feed me once a day. I worked very hard for my mother order. Sometimes my village people said to me, "Your stepmother is not good for you. You can go anywhere." One day, my stepmother beat me very much, and due to excessive pains, that day I ran away from my home and came to Dhaka. That time I was in 7 years old. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. When I was there for that whole day without getting any food, when it was, I used to work carrying goods of the passenger in the railway station. Eating a day could have been eaten by income that I had earned all day. This way, I spent 1 year. One day, one of my friends, like me, said to me, "Come with me." Then we went to an NGO. They gave me a place to live. They didn't give me food, clothes, education, or anything. After coming to the shelter, then I was selling newspaper to save money for my book, pen, pencil, uniform, because I have a dream. One day, I want to be an aeronautical engineer. After some months, then I was admitted to a primary school in the 3rd grade. At that time, there was a lot of trouble for me to continue study, working. After 3 years of hardship, then I got a scholarship in the 5th grade. At that time, I was in 11 years old. There are many street children in Bangladesh. You can see when you go Bangladesh. They have no house, no food, no education, no clothes. That's why they are addicted in many illegal working. I am brave enough to acknowledge that I am one of them. As a part of the Ticket to Life Scout, my scouting journey began in 2008 with the Saidabad Open Scout Group, which is the center of our city. During this program, I was in a shelter allocated for the have-nots. Ticket to Life is one kind of project to connect with scouting. Scouting for street children known as Ticket to Life. Scouting of World Scout Bureau to Life project inaugurated and started in our country 2006. Along with scouting, I dared to continue my study. At the same time, I had to work to support my life. As a street child, I never thought of scouting during the hardship of my life, but I could. This program taught me how to survive in adverse environment and how to adapt myself in any situation. After 5 years of scouting, then I got the highest scout award in Bangladesh Scout. Scouting has taught me try to your best. I want to keep trying to reach my goal. I am still working as well as a university in Bangladesh. I want to work with the deprived children all over the world. Because of the pain of the deprived children, I can feel deeply. My own life is its evidence. Scouts gave me the rare honor that brought me on today's stage. So scouting is to stand with the deprived children. I want to dedicate my life to life. That's why I wanted all organization of the Scout movement with sincere cooperation. I steadily believe that World Organization of the Scout movement will sincerely cooperate me in this work. I will always try to glorify this program of Scouting. Life is full of struggle, but Scout can make it easy. I am the life example. Thank you, Baden-Powell. Thank you, Scouting.